Samsung is pushing the limits of smartphone design with the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge, and its ultra slim body is already a hot topic. Measuring just 5.84 millimeters in thickness, it stands as one of the slimmest smartphones ever made. While this sleek design is impressive, it has also raised concerns about durability. Many are questioning whether such a thin device can withstand everyday use without bending or breaking. Despite these concerns, Samsung assures that durability has been a major focus during development. At the Mobile World Congress 2025 in Barcelona, Annika Bizon, Samsung UK's marketing director, addressed these concerns. The Galaxy S25 Edge was showcased at Samsung's booth, but there was a strict look, but don't touch policy in place. This decision has only fueled speculation about the materials used in the device. Some believe Samsung has made significant changes to reinforce its structure, while others worry that the company may be hiding potential weaknesses. One of the biggest fears is whether the phone will bend under pressure, especially when placed in a pocket and sat on. This concern isn't new. Many still remember the iPhone 6 Plus and the infamous Bendgate controversy in 2014. If Samsung were to face a similar issue with its latest flagship, it could damage the company's reputation. However, Samsung seems confident that the Galaxy S25 Edge is built to last. Although Bizon did not reveal specific details about the phone's materials, she hinted at exciting improvements in construction. Leaks suggest that instead of the usual glass back, the S25 Edge might feature a ceramic rear panel. If true, this would be a major upgrade in durability. Ceramic is known for being more resistant to scratches and impacts, making it a great alternative to glass. This could explain why Samsung is being cautious about letting people handle the device before the official launch. If the material feels noticeably different, the company may want to keep it a surprise until the big reveal. Another possibility is that Samsung has reinforced the internal frame with a stronger alloy to prevent bending. In the past, the company has used armor aluminum frames in its foldable phones, so a similar approach could be applied to the S25 Edge. A more rigid frame would help ensure the phone remains sturdy despite its incredibly thin profile. As to the release date, reports suggest that Samsung could officially unveil the Galaxy S25 Edge next month, with a limited launch expected in May 2025. If these rumors are true, it won't be long before customers get to see if Samsung's claims about durability hold up in real-world use. The mystery surrounding this phone is only adding to the excitement. Samsung's decision to keep the device out of people's hands suggests that it wants to make a major impact when all the details are finally revealed. If the ceramic back and reinforced frame turn out to be true, the S25 Edge could set a new benchmark for ultra-thin smartphones. Would you feel comfortable using a device this slim, or do you prefer a slightly thicker foam for added durability? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends.
Imagine getting a sneak peek at Samsung's latest marvel before it's even hit the shelves. Yes, we're talking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the flagship that's set to redefine smartphone standards. As anticipation builds, leaks and rumors have painted a picture of what we can expect from this upcoming powerhouse. Let's unravel the most compelling details that have surfaced so far. Samsung's next big launch is just around the corner, with the Galaxy S25 series expected to make its grand debut by the end of January. The lineup is anticipated to include the usual trio: a base model, a Plus, and the much-talked-about Ultra. However, it's the Ultra variant that has truly captured the headlines in the lead-up to its release. One of the most intriguing rumors suggests that Samsung may opt for Micron's DDR-X DRAM chips instead of its in-house solutions, potentially enhancing the device's efficiency. Meanwhile, leaked renders have given us a glimpse of the Ultra's sleek design, showcasing a device that promises both aesthetic appeal and robust functionality. Samsung has already stirred excitement by teasing the next-generation Bixby for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This, along with confirmation of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip at its core, sets high expectations for performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite, complemented by a sophisticated cooling system, is expected to deliver unparalleled speed and efficiency. Wireless charging gets a boost with Qi 2 technology, ensuring faster and more efficient power replenishment. Moreover, reports hint at a lighter design for the Ultra, making it more user-friendly without compromising on battery life or durability. Camera enthusiasts have much to look forward to, with the Ultra's ultra-wide camera potentially offering 4 times better image quality than its predecessor. Video recording in low-light conditions is also expected to see significant improvements, making it a versatile tool for photography lovers. On the design front, The Ultra is said to have a more refined look with a flat frame and rounded corners. Its slim profile is another standout feature, at just 8.2 millimeters thick. Samsung appears to be offering a range of color options, from titanium black to exclusive online shades like titanium jade green, ensuring there's something to suit every taste. The display is another area where the Galaxy S25 Ultra might excel, with anti-reflection properties akin to those of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, Samsung's decision to forgo the latest M14 materials for the screen could give a slight edge to competitors like the iPhone 16 Pro. In terms of memory, the Ultra could pack a punch with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM in both 512 gigabytes and 1 terabyte variants, offering plenty of space for multitasking and media storage. The device might also be Samsung's first flagship to support seamless AB Android OS updates, streamlining the user experience. A potential downside for S Pen fans is the rumored omission of Bluetooth connectivity, which could limit some features like Air Actions. Nonetheless, the overall package still promises to be a significant upgrade over previous models. Pricing remains a hot topic, with the cost of advanced chipsets possibly driving up the Ultra's launch price. The new 3nm chips are expected to deliver impressive performance, but come with higher manufacturing costs, potentially making the Galaxy S25 Ultra more expensive than its predecessors. As we count down to the official announcement, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a flagship worth the wait. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and enhanced capabilities, it's set to make a splash in the smartphone market. Keep an eye out for Samsung's Unpacked event, and don't miss the opportunity to experience the future of mobile technology. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Blazing speed and remarkable efficiency, ensuring that everything from multitasking to gaming runs seamlessly. Alongside this impressive chipset, the display technology is set to captivate users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a dynamic, low-temperature polycrystalline oxide AMOLED 2X screen, offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, high dynamic range 10+ compatibility, and a peak brightness of 2600 nits. These features combine to create an incredibly vivid and immersive visual experience, perfect for streaming or gaming. Storage and memory options on the Galaxy S25 Ultra cater to every user's needs. The base model offers a solid 12 gigabytes of random access memory and 256 gigabytes of internal storage, while the premium version ramps this up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a hopping 1 terabyte of storage. This ensures plenty of space for all your apps, media, and files. The design is sleek and refined with dimensions of 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 millimeters and a weight of 219 grams, making it